F350. This is a diesel, not that that changes anything. The wiring configuration is all the same. You got your factory grounds that we use there. You got your constant ignition off your switch. I'm going to tuck the wiring and all looming back there. The cable then runs up, across, up, over. The device is back underneath this. This just pulls off. Be very careful when you pull those off. Do not pull this panel off if it's below freezing outside without warming up the interior. The likelihood of you snapping this beauty is incredibly high. Another caution is these light switches down here don't like to pop out as one piece and stay with it. So if you keep a thumb over it when you pop this panel, it'll help it all stay together. We do not recommend taking off the security tab here. It's a pain. It's not necessary. We just drop the fuse box down. So when all this is up, this is going to fit back up the side. If I can do this with one hand, which I may not be able to do. Anyway, this will all fit up like so, and you won't see a thing. Those are all snug, and there you go. It's all finished up. Just gonna take the driver's knee plate panel, do this with it. Pop the finger screws in. Oops. Get it over there. These here just push in, just turn. Rather convenient. I must say, panel's back on. There you have it. Yeah.